welcome to my presentation. Thank you for taking the time to view my presentation. My name is Conrad Lina. I'm currently studying Bachelor of Engineering at Central Queensland University, and my discipline is mechanical. The course I'm doing this term at the university is called Engineering Design and Management Implementation. With the course, we were given a topic to do a presentation video, and my topic is called refrigerants. So what is refrigerant and where did it all start? An American by the name of Jacob Perkins has built the first working vapor compressor refrigerating system in 1934. The system was a closed cycle that could operate continuously. The first gas operation refrigerating system using gaseous pneumonia dissolved in water was developed by Ferdinand Hoare of France in 1859. So refrigerant is a chemical substance or a chemical mixture, usually or lately is a gas. These gases have very low evaporation points, and the types of refrigerants that these old refrigerators started off with was like the chlorofluorocarbon. The chemical formula for that is CFO. Hydrochlorofluorocarbon, HCFC. In hydrofluorocarbon, HFC. Another one is pyrofluorocarbon, PFC, and there was blends like ammonia and carbon dioxide. Okay, let's look at the properties for refrigerants. The first refrigerators built from the 1800s until the 1920s used toxic gases such as ammonia, NH3, methyl chloride, C3H3CI, and sulfur dioxide, SO2. Unfortunately, these units occasionally leaked. That's now the system where the gases are operating inside. They leaked, and these leakages caused death. Now, these deaths prompted the refrigerating industry to start to do research in order to find a better substance that is not as deadly as the ones they did use at that time. The result of this research was the discovery of chlorofluorocarbon. Chemical formula for that is CFC gas. Now this gas has a mixture of chlorine, fluorine, and carbons. The gas is colorless, odorless, non-flammable, and non-toxic. But in the 1970s, scientists has found out that when CFC leaks out of a refrigerating system, there's a change in the chemical formula, and it became harmful to the ozone layer, and it had an effect on the greenhouse. Due to the exposure of the chemical to the sunlight, ultraviolet rays. Since this discovery, many countries has banned CFC and replaced it with hydrofluorocarbon. The chemical formula for hydrofluorocarbon is HFC. HFC is a mixture of hydrogen, chlorine, fluorine, and carbon. The mixture has a shorter life when exposed to the atmosphere and has less potential to be harmful to the ozone and less potential to have a greenhouse effect. Refrigerants need to have the following properties to be a good refrigerant. It has got to have high enthalpy of evaporation, not too low evaporation pressure, not too high condenser pressure. It must be non-toxic. Might leak out of the system. Non-corrosive, so do not add corrosion to the system, the refrigerating system. For example, your pipes, the compressor itself, and other parts inside the system. Chemical stable, so it mustn't change in its properties when it changes in temperature, or if it leaks out to the atmosphere, it mustn't change in its chemical properties. And then the last one is it must be cost effective. Current refrigerators are using the substance called R134A and goes by the chemical name of tetrafluoroethane. R134A has been common use since the 1990s, but is now becoming uncommon in Europe, and refrigerating manufacturers are slowly starting to phase R134A out and replacing it with the substance called R600A. R600A, or methylpropane, is also known as isobutane, is the latest and most common refrigerant used by the refrigerating companies, manufacturers, or by contractors and repairers within the refrigerating industry. The molecular formula for isobutane is C4H10. Isobutane is also used as feedstock in the petrochemical industry. Current applications for R600A is, for example, refrigerating systems, household, industrial, like in your big shopping centers, your big food industries, and then also in air conditioning systems, household again, and cars, and in buildings, industrial. I have come to the end of my presentation about refrigerants, and I hope you have found the presentation interesting and learningful. Thanks again for taking the time to view my presentation, and I hope you have a good day. Thanks.